students, in the previous class we saw different types of flowers based on their symmetry, based on the presence or absence of bracts, based on the number of the floral whorls. In this lecture as well, we will look at another type of flowers. These are the types of flowers based on the position of the ovary with respect to the other floral whorls. Types of flowers based on position of ovary with respect to other floral whorls. You know the typical flower, this is the gynoecium. There are three parts to the gynoecium. This part is the stigma, then this part is the style, and this is the ovary. Now this ovary can either be situated above the other floral whorls and the floral whorls will be below it. That is, the ovary may have the topmost position with respect to the other floral whorls, or else it may have a lower position compared to the other floral whorls and the other floral whorls will be on top of the ovary. Based on the position of the ovary compared to the other floral whorls, the flowers are divided into three different types. Let us look at these three different types. So look at these three different scenarios. For this classification, we have to focus on the position of the ovary of the gynoecium, not the other parts of the gynoecium, only ovary. In the first case, you see that the ovary is occupying the topmost position. The gynoecium is at the top here and all the other floral whorls, that is the androecium, corolla and the calyx, are below it. Ovary of the gynoecium is at a superior position compared to the other floral whorls. This type of a flower in which the ovary is said to be superior, such type of a flower is known as a hypogynous flower. Hypo means below, gynous means gynoecium, below gynoecium. Ovary is superior, that is the gynoecium occupies highest position. Other floral parts are situated below it. Example, mustard, China rose, that is hibiscus, scientific name of China rose, hibiscus, and brinjal, hypogynous flowers. What about the second type? If you look at the receptacle in this case, the receptacle is trying to enclose this ovary, but it is not enclosing it. It is like just about to enclose sort of. And if you look at the third case, you see that the receptacle has completely covered the ovary in such a manner that the ovary is now completely inside the receptacle and now occupying the least position, that is an inferior position, and the other floral whorls are above the ovary. In the second scenario, however, you see that the ovary is having a more or less equal position compared to the other floral whorls. In this case also, it is not completely inferior, it is like half inferior ovary. These type of flowers in which the ovary is half inferior, such type of flowers are called as perigynous flowers. Peri means around. So can you tell me what is around the gynoecium? The other floral whorls are around the gynoecium. The other floral whorls are below the gynoecium. Gynoecium is situated in the center and the other floral whorls are located on the rim of thalamus, almost at the same level as the ovary. Ovary is said to be half inferior because in this case it is said to be fully inferior. Example, plum, a rose, peach. Then in the third case, here you see that the ovary position is below the other floral whorls. This type of a flower will be called as epigynous flower. Epi means above. Gynous means gynoecium, above the gynoecium. All the other floral whorls are above the gynoecium. The ovary is said to be inferior in this case. Ovary is inferior. The margin of thalamus encloses ovary completely. This will be seen in guava, cucumber. Cucumber is very popular for inferior ovary, and the ray florets of sunflower. Sunflower, as you know, the inflorescence has two types of flowers there. The ones forming the petals and the second one forming the brown colored region. The one forming the petals are called as the ray florets and the one formed in the center are called as the disc florets. The ray florets are known to be epigynous flowers. These are important examples and types. So we have seen the different types of flowers. In the next lecture we will learn more about the whorls, calyx and corolla. In the name of Lord Mahadev, please subscribe.